Yo, what's good? It's your boy. So I'm trying to save some money. So I call myself, I'm not a man's man. I'm not that guy that's gonna fix anything. I don't measure the way I should measure. I got zero patience for any of this construction or building on it. That in my name ain't nothing alike. So we got some trimming, right? I'm a first time homeowner. And I planted all these fucking shrubs, all these trees all over the property. And they did what I wanted to do, but now they're going crazy and wild. So I got these cypress bushes that are about to push down my fence. They're crazy. They're growing insane. So I got some quotes for some trimming. And I figured, like, hey, you know what? I got to pay somebody because look, my house was like a hot mess. Like, jungleness is growing over. So I got 3 different quotes. The first one was $1,250. The second one was $1,500. And the third one with some extra fancy shit was about $3,000. And then the fancy shit was I got some boxwoods that are dying, and the treatment alone was like $608, and it's good for a whole year. And I was like, damn, that's a lot of fucking money. That's a lot of money. I need a roof. I ain't got money for this. So I'm at Home Depot. And I'm going to attempt to do it myself. And so be part of the journey. And again, I can't stress enough that I'm not a handy dude at all. I don't build shit. Even when I paint, outside of like painting murals and stuff, even when I paint in my house, I don't know, it's something in me. I just leave the shit unfinished. I'll leave a little edge, a little corner, somewhere. I'll leave the fucking tape up. I still got tape in one section of my house. My house is from 2007. I got tape up in one little section. I could have easily put it down, but I didn't. But here we are. Welcome to the journey. I went with RYOBI. It's affordable. I spent about $400. I got a trimmer, chainsaw, and a blower. All that good stuff. So let's see. I'm going to tell you, I just pretty much finished doing all the landscaping that I was about to pay a lot of money for to get done. And yes, does it look amazing? But did I get done what I needed to get done? Absolutely. But like, I saved a ton of money, So if I look at the total, about $420 in equipment versus the most expensive quote was over $3,000. The cheapest quote was $1,200. It was like a no-brainer. I had a ton of fun. My kids helped me.
You want me back? Hey guys, we're gonna do cutting the log.
It's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be, and I pretty much got everything done within a matter of, if I had to combine, like probably 2 hours, maybe 3. And yeah, I'll be honest, I just burned everything. Everybody's got a township, and the township collects the waste, and I ain't got no pickup truck, so I'm too lazy for that. So I literally just put it in my pit and just lit that bitch. So yeah. So listen, if I could do it, you could do it, because I really I'm lazy when it comes to these things. But having the tools and kind of like watching people point out what they were gonna do, I was like, you know what? I didn't even YouTube it. I don't know if you're supposed to cut it at a certain angle or not. I did what I needed to get done. I trimmed stuff down. There's nothing hanging over, as you can see. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Like, I can't believe, like, it inspires me to want to build more stuff. And I'm not that guy. Hope the video motivated you to go do your own tree pruning and figure it out yourself, unless you got money like that. Peace.